Hi everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll explore the top 8 faceless YouTube niches that can help you achieve financial success in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, understanding these niches and their earning potential could be your key to thriving on YouTube. My name is Hone. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. With that background, I've researched hundreds of faceless YouTube channels to compile this list of profitable niches for the coming year. Let's dive in. 8. Anime self-help videos. Combining self-improvement content with anime visuals is a niche likely to explode in 2025. Channels like Incognito CEO and Fame Inspector have seen rapid growth using this approach. Their content tackles topics like building discipline and breaking bad habits, using engaging anime clips created with tools like InVideo AI. Earning potential, 4 out of 10. Ease of creation, 9 out of 10. Overall score, 6.5/10. If you're in the self-help space, this is an exciting and creative way to grow faster. 7. Moral stories. Remember moral science classes in school? This niche brings them to YouTube. Channels like Dream Sparks and Wise Vibes are examples of success here, leveraging simple stories with profound lessons to engage viewers. Tools like AI can make creating these videos a breeze. Earning potential, 5 out of 10. Ease of creation, 9 out of 10. Overall score, 7 out of 10. This is a great entry-level niche with significant potential for growth. 6. Ancient philosophy. From Stoicism to Greek philosophy, this niche has been gaining traction. Channels like Philosophies for Life and STO Journal show how breaking down timeless philosophies can attract large audiences. The content is easy to research and create, with books and articles readily available as sources. Earning potential, 6 out of 10. Ease of creation, 8 out of 10. Overall score, 7 out of 10. Perfect for creators passionate about history and personal development. 5. Business documentaries. This niche tells captivating stories about the rise and fall of companies. Channels like Magnates Media and Company Man dominate by delivering in-depth narratives. However, the barrier to entry is high due to the research and production effort involved. Earning potential, 9 out of 10. Ease of creation, 4 out of 10. Overall score, 6.5/10. If you're a detail-oriented storyteller, this niche offers immense rewards. 4. Horror and scary stories. This niche combines simplicity with high earning potential. Channels like Chilling Scares and Mr. Nightmare leverage eerie visuals and spine-chilling voiceovers to captivate audiences. New creators like Mr. KN Scares prove that it's possible to achieve quick success here. Earning potential, 8 out of 10. Ease of creation, 7 out of 10. Overall score, 7.5/10. An ideal niche for creators with a knack for crafting suspenseful narratives. 3. Basic financial education. Unlike advanced financial content, this niche focuses on foundational knowledge such as budgeting and financial habits. Channels like Alex and Chris Invests make learning finance approachable and profitable, with RPMs ranging from $12 to $20. Earning potential, 9 out of 10. Ease of creation, 7 out of 10. Overall score, 8 out of 10. A fantastic niche for creators who want to educate while earning. 2. Make money online with AI. Blending the booming AI trend with the make money online niche, this space is exploding. Channels like 10x Income and Digital Income Project are thriving by teaching viewers how to monetize AI tools. With RPMs around $7 to $10, it's a lucrative choice. Earning potential, 9 out of 10. Ease of creation, 5 out of 10. Overall score, 7 out of 10. This niche is perfect for tech-savvy creators ready to ride the AI wave. 1. 3D animation. The most exciting niche of 2025 is 3D animation. Channels like Zach D Films and The Outliners prove its massive earning potential. AI tools like NID AI make creating 3D animations more accessible than ever, significantly lowering the barrier to entry. Earning potential, 9 out of 10. Ease of creation, 6 out of 10. Overall score, 7.5/10. While challenging, this niche offers immense opportunities for creators willing to learn. Final thoughts. When choosing a niche, focus on more than just potential earnings. Passion and consistency are key to long-term success. Pick a niche that aligns with your interests and allows you to create content sustainably. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint,